everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is a soup. It's finally soup weather here, yay! This one is an Instapot recipe. It is a broccoli cheddar potato soup, and it also has bacon. All good things. And it turned out really good and very tasty, so we highly recommend it. So give the video a watch. My mom's going to put a link in the description box below to the original recipe. But it was really tasty, very, very good. And of course, she dropped me some bacon, which I have no problems with at all. So watch my mommy's video, and if you like it, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog.
Everybody, happy Monday. It's soup weather, so it's time to make a soup. Instapot broccoli potato cheddar soup, or broccoli cheddar potato soup, something like that. I'll put a link to the original recipe in the description box. But we are sauteing some garlic. So you got 2 cloves of garlic in here, 2 tablespoons of butter, and we are turning off the saute function because it is sauteed. And I'll show you what we are gonna peel after washing them and chop into chunks 2 pounds of, it's supposed to be Yukon Gold potatoes, but I have russet, whatever these are. So I'm gonna wash them and peel them and cut into chunks. All right, so here's what we got in here. The 2 pounds of potatoes peeled and chopped. We got 1 head of broccoli chopped into florets, or frozen broccoli in my case. And then I also put about 1 cup of frozen onion in there. And then a whole box, or 4 cups, of low sodium chicken broth. And then some salt and pepper. So of course I used the blend because you can't go wrong with salt, pepper, and garlic. You shake that in there to taste. Close the lid, put it on sealing because we're gonna pressure cook for 5 minutes. All right, so it's been 10 minutes natural release after the 5-minute pressure cooking, and then you gotta release the rest of the pressure. Sorry. Okay, so it's been, you let it natural release for 10 minutes and then quick release the rest. Then we gotta add some stuff to finish it up. So we are adding 1 cup of cheddar cheese. I'm doing it different. It says 1/2 cup and then spread the rest on top of each individual bowl, but I'd rather it be cheesy inside the soup. So I'm adding it all. And since I can't have dairy, this is Better Goods plant-based cheddar. Get it at Walmart. And then we're gonna do 1 cup of heavy cream. It says 1/2 and 1/2, but I can't do 1/2 and 1/2 because again, can't have dairy, and 1/2 and 1/2 is milk. So we're gonna put this over here. Y'all are gonna watch me make a mess because I can't see what I'm doing. No problem, I will clean that up later. Clean it up later. Ooh. Cup of that. Stir it in. La la la. And then as much bacon as you want. If you have chives, you could put those in there too. But since I already put regular onion in it to begin with, I'm not gonna do that. And I'm gonna dump the rest of these bacon bits in here. Now you can fry up your own bacon if you don't have bacon bits, but I have bacon bits and work smart, not hurt, so. We're putting that in there instead. All right. It is done. Nummy, nummy. Yummy. Enjoy. Happy Monday.